I'm Meg from BJ's Automotive here today with your tech tip. Today we're going to talk about ignition coils. Now, ignition coils play a very critical role in the way how your engine runs and performs. They are the means in how spark is delivered to your spark plug in order to light the air-fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber of your engine. While they come in many different shapes and sizes, the way how they work is generally all the same. You have a power and ground feed fed to the ignition coils, and a lot of them on today's vehicles are now computer controlled to tell the ignition coil when to fire off the spark. What does that look like inside your engine? Well, we have a setup right here. It's technically called a Jacob's ladder, but you can see with the ignition coil, once I provide power and ground to it, you'll be able to see the spark climb up the ladder. This is very much the same principle of what goes on inside the engine compartment of your vehicle. If you start having an ignition coil start to fail, that spark can either degrade and not be able to jump the gap as well in your spark plug, or sometimes simply it does not work at all. Most of the time when this happens, your check engine light will either come on and stay on steadily, or it will begin to flash. You'll also notice that your engine will have a hard time running. It'll either sound like it's running rough, or performance-wise you may notice a bucking or jerking feeling as you're trying to get up to speed. If you're experiencing any of these issues, please give us a call. We can check it out for you and advise you on the best course of action. That's your tech tip for today. Stay tuned for next week.